Hello, my friend. Welcome to this mindful art session where we use breath and drawing as a way to slow down, reconnect with ourselves, and find calm in creative stillness. Find a comfortable seat with your journal or paper and pen or pencil in front of you. Rest your hands lightly and take a deep breath in through your nose and a long, slow exhale through your mouth. Close your eyes if you'd like. Notice your body resting against the surface beneath you. Notice the ground beneath your feet. With each breath, imagine gathering your scattered energy in, closer, drawing it inward towards your center. When you feel ready, gently open your eyes and place your pen or pencil softly at the middle of your page. Today we're drawing spirals. The spiral is one of the oldest patterns in nature. You'll find it in seashells, ferns, whirlpools, and galaxies. Spirals remind us that life moves in cycles, inward and outward, expanding and returning. When we feel scattered or anxious, drawing spirals can bring us back to rhythm, back to breath, and back to our own center. Begin by placing your pen at the center of your page and slowly draw a small loop. Let it curl outward, gentle curve by gentle curve, until the spiral grows wider and wider. Pause, breathe in, exhale as you let your line continue its flow. You may want to draw several spirals, some large, some small, some moving outward, some curling back inward. If your lines wobble or overlap, let them. Spirals are not about perfection. They're about motion and flow. Notice how your hand feels as it circles. Notice your breath. Notice the quiet rhythm between the two. If your mind feels busy, imagine each spiral carrying a thought outward. Let the pen guide it away, softening as it goes. If you feel the need for calm and focus, let your spirals curl inward, drawing you back to your center. Gently ask yourself, where in my life do I feel pulled outward right now? And what helps me return inward, back to myself? Allow your page to become a map of both the outward reach and the inward return. As your spirals begin to slow, take a moment to notice the patterns you've created, flowing, expanding, returning. There is no right or wrong, only movement, only presence. Place your pen down gently. Rest one hand on your belly, one on your heart. Take a deep breath in, filling your center. And a long, soothing exhale out, releasing any tension. Silently or softly, repeat to yourself, I can always return to my center. I can always return to my center. I can always return to my center. If you'd like, write those words on your page, a quiet reminder that you can come back to whenever you need. Today you let your hand follow the spiral's wisdom, moving outward, moving inward, and always circling back to balance. Anytime you feel scattered or overwhelmed, you can return to the simple practice with your pen or pencil, with your breath, and with your ever-present center. Thank you for joining me in this practice. Until next time.